Percentage of women participating in stock market is abysmally low in India, and this really bothers me. It bothers me because women who are supposed to be great financial managers are not there in market. I mean, who would not remember their mother, their housewives, who have been making sure that every single penny in the house gets counted for productive purpose? Stock market is exactly that. How do you manage your finances? How do you invest in multiple assets? Could be equity, could be mutual funds. There are so many aspects related to financial management which a woman can understand quite well. So rather than getting bothered about it, we thought, let's take an initiative. Let's launch a program only for women which will help the ladies to become financial independent. This 15th August, we are launching a program meant for women to become financially independent, and who better than Suchi of our team to actually take the lead of that program. Hi Suchi.
Hi sir, thank you.
Thank you. So Suchi, you have been into market for long, you have been associated with us for long. So tell our audience about this beautiful program which we have designed for women.
So when I started my career, the first thing which hit my mind was I need to have a family of my own, my children. I will have some responsibilities towards there. At the same time, I wanted to be financially independent. So stock markets was the most rewarding career at that point of time.
True.
Because it used to give me the flexibility of working hours. What I needed was just an internet connection and a system. That's it. And I was my own boss. I didn't have to be answering to anybody that this is my specific work timings or anything. 1 hour a day and I was sorted. And I have been consistently generating income over last 10 years now. So what we have got here today at eLearn Markets is that we need all women to be financially independent, to know about stock markets, to know about simple jargons, which will help them solve all their queries and not just go by tips, a structural way which will help us know that how do you actually participate in stock markets as a part-time career.
That's interesting. So Suji, tell me, is it for people who want a full-time, rigorous, full-day market participation, or is this course designed for people who want to give probably an hour a day part-time trading or part-time investing and put their money in market for a longer wealth creation?
So weekend 2 hours and per day 1 hour is more than enough to generate wealth. So we are not actually focusing on rigorous trading, which is like a regular income builder. But here what we are focusing is women have a lot of wealth and just that they are not growing the correct way. So if you put it in the right asset class, in the right stocks, you know that it will sustainably grow after a particular end of time.
So what are we going to cover? Are we going to cover price, technicals, fundamental, understanding the business, understanding the price movement? Are we going to cover everything in this course?
Yes. So basics. First, we'll start off with the absolute basics to know how do you actually open a trading account? Do you need a demat account to start trading in the stocks or not? Then the basic fundamentals. What are the things which you need to know about a company before you actually invest? And then yes, we will also talk about the timing, because timing is again a key ingredient to enter the stock at the right time and exit book profit at the right time. So we will talk about the basics of technical analysis of price and volume study in this particular course.
Fantastic. This looks very interesting, friends. So if you are women looking at this, please think about how Suchi is living her life. Think about it. Even you can plan it the right way. And if you have any women in your house, it could be your sister, your mother, your housewife, anyone, please do look at this program. It will really be the best gift you gift to them on this eve of Independence Day in our country. So I hope you guys join this program. For more detail about this program, just there is a link below this video. Use that link and get to know about this program. Thank you, Suchi, for creating this program and managing the show. I hope you'll get a lot of learners who will learn from you and aspire to become like you. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for your time and attention. Bye-bye.